Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 153. If we start with this column, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 7. No help here, 6, 7, 9. Same here with just the 9, so 6, 7. So that means our 9 for that box has to be here. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 here and 2 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got the 4 covering these two boxes. So 2, 5, 2, 5. And that means that our 4 for that column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 7, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 2, 5, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column now, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. And let's see. So this 7 makes this our 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. This 6 and 7 makes this R2. That makes this R6, 2, 6. And what we're missing now is just a 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.